I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study biology high school, only way. Start by organizing topics into manageable units and schedule daily 30-minute study sessions focused on one concept at a time. Use active recall with flashcards and practice diagrams, explain processes aloud, and teach a peer or pretend audience. Track progress weekly, adjust approaches based on weak areas, and keep study sessions consistent to build long-term understanding and confidence. Break topics into concept maps and link terms with functions and examples. Use spaced repetition with a set schedule, testing yourself every few days and increasing intervals over time. Draw labeled diagrams from memory, write one-line summaries after each session, and perform quick practice quizzes to solidify recall and identify weak spots for targeted review. Stay curious and connect concepts to real-world examples to make learning meaningful every study session. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for ambient study music and clear timers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more study tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Enjoy better focus with background audio. It sets timers and plays focus music for 25-minute Pomodoros. And now let's get back to the video. Use varied resources like textbooks, videos, and reputable interactive apps to reinforce concepts. Create a weekly practice test that simulates exam conditions and times, then review mistakes to refine study targets. Prioritize high-yield topics first, memorize key vocabulary with spaced flashcards, and practice drawing cycles and anatomy while explaining steps allowed to improve retention and exam confidence. Schedule short breaks and sleep well before exams to aid memory consolidation every night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.